Hey guys, Calvin here. Just want to do a quick video on the Apple chart and some of the indexes for the close today. So what happened? What happened here? So we fell right into my major support zone that I've been calling out for a week or two now, and we got a little bit of a bounce. So let's look intraday and what happened today. I didn't really like the close on Apple. We'd like to see a little close more towards the highs of the day. That way it will set up more of a hammer candle on the daily chart and maybe possibly signify a short-term low. But that didn't happen. But okay, intraday, I did call out this breakout pattern based on the bull flag and the moving averages. We broke out. That would have been a good profit. And I said to take the profit right at the 50-day moving average. And you can even also scalp that. I also mentioned that in the video as well. You can scalp that, and that would have been a great trade. I didn't anticipate such a great fall like that, but wow, that was a big fall on Apple. So we have to look for further weakness on Apple tomorrow. The worst case scenario for the week for me, I think possibly you could hit the head and shoulder target this week. That would be my worst case. Hopefully it does not, because I actually sold puts spreads below 590, so I don't really want to get anywhere near here. So that's the worst case scenario. This head and shoulder pattern is intact. I modified the neckline slightly, and now I have a new target of around 610. If you draw this neckline more upsloping, you'll get a target of around 620. But I'm more conservative, so I decided to draw it in a flat manner, and if we do break, if we do hit the target, it will be around 610. So around this region, we will find support as 150 days rising here, the 50% retrace, and the head and shoulder target, which is also consolidation here as well. So right around this area, and also my next support is actually this major trend line. If you look back on the chart, it's actually connected from the lows in May of earlier this year. And the third hit should be a bounce, in my opinion. Third hit of a rising trend line like that should be a bounce and symmetric in time. So I think any straight drop without a consolidation there, it will bounce. Worst case, I think is a possibility is we maybe pierce through it, get the shorts sucked in, shake out the weak hands, get right into this target and close back above here by the week. So that's just one case scenario. I think that's a high chance that might happen, but I hope that doesn't happen, because I hope it will just bounce here. That way, it's less stress for me, because I already sold. I'm already in on the 590 and 585 put spreads. As you can see right here, I got 10 contracts filled. Pretty much up on the trade very slightly. I was up in a trade very nicely earlier in the day, but we came crashing down. But either way, I think this trade should be fine. I also actually sold 3 naked from the 580, but I will buy those back once the premium goes down. So that will also free up some premium, so I can do more trades for the week, maybe Friday. Okay, let's go right to the indexes here. As you recall, in my weekend video, I said the indexes are making a bearish pattern, and sure enough, they are starting to play out. They're trying to play out. I mean, you're not seeing enough volume here to really see this come to fruition. But if you want to see this come true, you're going to have to see increased red bars, and that will maybe hit this target around this area. Same with the IWM. I call it the bearish consolidation pattern. Maybe it looks more like this. Actually looks more of a bear flag. And the target, once again, would be the 50-day moving average. We're going to have to see more volume in the sell-off as well, though. On the Qs, you're going to see a little more weakness based off Apple and Google. And we are already at the 50-day moving average. And any break of that will also trigger a head and shoulder pattern. So that's not looking really good for Apple right now. So we're just going to have to watch it very carefully. Hopefully it doesn't break. But if it does, you just got to kind of know what levels are next. So once again, I'll go through the levels again. First level I'm looking at will be this trend line. That should hold. And also just below it, we have the head and shoulder target. So right around this area, it's got a hold for the week. Any break below here is going to get me worried. This trend line also coincides with the 20-week moving average, and we never closed below that through this whole rally. So that would be a very worrying signal right there. If we do close below the 20-week moving average this week, that'd be really scary. But either way, that's got a hold for the week, and I'm actually in all the way down here, so I should be good to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching this update. I will do another video tomorrow morning perhaps, and I will do another video by the close. So you guys all have a great day. I will talk to you guys later.